Advit.
Come on, put the states on the India map. Okay.
Start.
What is this?
Ladakh.
Ladakh. Correct. Yes.
Very
Now,
good.
Jammu and Kashmir. Correct.
Very good.
After this. Next one is. Come on. Check. Jammu Kashmir. Then you can take.
Manhattan.
What do you want? Come on. Okay. Take.
Yes.
Okay. Rajasthan at its place. Now next one is
Gujarat.
Gujarat. Okay, put Gujarat then.
Very good.
Okay. After Gujarat. This is Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Now this is
Oh,
UP and Delhi. Wow, good one. Come on, put it correctly. Yes. Now
Mana.
Maharashtra. Okay, Maharashtra. Take Maharashtra.
very good.
Now next one.
Inannan.
Telangana.
Telangana. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. And
Chhattisgarh.
Chhattisgarh. Oh.
Chhattisgarh. Okay. And
Jharkhand.
Jharkhand. Okay.
Oh.
Jharkhand. Take Jharkhand. And
Bihar.
Bihar. Okay, Bihar. And
Himachal Pradesh. Yes.
Okay.
Pick Himachal Pradesh.
Okay.
Very good.
Himachal Pradesh. There it is. With Uttarakhand. Himachal Pradesh is this one. Come on. Yes. Very good.
Very good.
7 states of Northeast.
No.
Northeast. Where are the Northeast?
7.
7. Yes.
Yes.
What are the names? Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur and Nagaland. Okay. Now, where is your Karnataka?
Kantan.
Come on, check.
Oh, very good, Advit.
Okay, then. What is this? Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra.
Yes. Now, God's own country, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And this is, what is this? Oh,
Lakshadweep and
Andaman and Nicobar Island.
wow, Advit.